Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable reduce loud sounds on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Screen Time. Then in here, we go down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Next, we go down and tap on Reduce Loud Sounds in the Allow Changes section. Now on this page, you can choose between Allow and Don't Allow. So if you don't want to allow changes to reduce loud sound, you can choose Don't Allow. Otherwise, choose Allow, and that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.